If you're using Cursor AI and want to disable an extension, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to turn off extensions in Cursor step by step, so you can keep your workspace clean, reduce distractions, and troubleshoot any extension-related issues. If this video helps, please hit like and subscribe for more helpful Cursor AI tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Cursor AI and make sure you're inside the main workspace. On the left side of the app, look for the activity bar. This is where you'll find different icons for features like search, source control, and extensions. To manage your installed extensions, click the extensions icon. It usually looks like 4 small squares grouped together, so once you spot that icon, go ahead and select it. After you click the extensions icon, Cursor will show you a list of the extensions that are currently installed. Take a moment to locate the specific extension you want to turn off. If you have a lot of extensions, you may need to scroll through the list or use the search bar if Cursor provides one in your layout. Find the extension you want to disable, then open its options or select it directly. Once you've found the extension, look for the disable option. In most cases, this will appear right on the extension card or in a menu attached to that extension. Click disable and Cursor will immediately turn that extension off. This means the extension will no longer run or affect your current setup, which is great if you want to test performance, fix conflicts, or simply remove features you don't need right now. If you're disabling an extension because Cursor is acting strangely, this is also a great troubleshooting step. Sometimes extensions can slow things down, interfere with autocomplete, or create unexpected behavior. Turning them off one by one can help you figure out which extension is causing the issue. That's why knowing how to disable extensions in Cursor AI is so useful for both beginners and advanced users. If you want to re-enable the extension later, you can always come back to the same extensions area and turn it back on. So don't worry, disabling an extension is not the same as permanently deleting it. It just pauses it until you're ready to use it again. And that's it. You now know how to disable extensions in Cursor AI in just a few clicks. If this tutorial saved you time, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Cursor AI tips, shortcuts, and software walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.